Hi loves, I'm Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida. I talk about all things skincare, all things beauty, all things lifestyle, product reviews and so much more. And if you're my OG, my real subscriber, my MVP, you know how we do it on here. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for being so consistent, for liking this channel, for commenting, for subscribing, for sharing. May God bless you. And if you have gotten to this part of the video, yes, you're just in the beginning, but please don't forget to like, comment, share, turn on your post notification, subscribe. Please just subscribe, that red button down here, please subscribe. I thank you so much. I love you. So today I'll be talking about the HADALABO premium hydrating lotion or toner. Some people call it a lotion, some people call it a toner because they can't really understand what is written on the body, guys. But yeah, the product is a Japanese product. That is why those writings, hence those writings. But I have unlocked the code, the cheat code, and I know it. This is a picture of it. Yes, this product, it is super nice. Let me calm down. I'm about to like dive into and dissect this product. It contains super hyaluronic acid. It is lightweight, it is non-greasy. Yes, so hyaluronic acid is the concentrate component or content or ingredient in this product. So hence you know that it is used to lock in, seal in hydration. Like hydration is on a a lot, like hydration on a chokehold. And guess what, it won't break you out. It won't give you blackheads, whitehead. No, it won't clog your pores. It is non-greasy and it is super lightweight. It's just like a snail mucin, but a lighter weight and more hydration, more, do you understand? So it is very, very nice. It is affordable, somewhat affordable, you know, it depends, but at least it's not more than 20k. But it is nice. It's not more than 20k. I can't pinpoint a particular thing, but I know that it keeps getting more and more expensive. Seems like a lot of people are beginning to like it, but it is nice. You see anything that just falls on your skin and begins to, oh god, your glow will be heavenly. I'm not even joking. This product is nice. The Hadalabo premium lotion or premium toner, whichever one you want to call it that. It's very nice. It's non-greasy. It's like a moisturizing lotion. Do you understand? So I won't advise that after using it you should use a moisturizer. No, just use it and then your sunscreen and you're good to go. Like you can use your face, you can use your face serum, then use it, then your sunscreen. Don't like overload or overwork your skin. Okay, this Hadalabo face toner lotion is very nice and it's super affordable. It's non-greasy, it's lightweight, and it gets the job done. It's a girl's girl, if you know what I mean. It is a girl's girl. This lotion, this toner, I keep on calling it toner or lotion because that is what it is referred to as. We can't pick a side, but you see, using it on your face, you see getting that glow, you see repairing, oh god, it repairs your skin barrier. I forgot to add that. It helps to strengthen and repair your skin barrier. It's like the hyaluronic concentrate in it, hyaluronic acid concentrate in it, helps to repair your skin barrier, helps to lock in moisture, helps to super hydrate your skin, helps to moisturize your skin on a high. Like, it's so nice. I love it so much. Yes, I have used it. Someone close to me is using it, so I got a bit of it and I used it and I liked it. It didn't break me out. It gave me this glow. Like, it's a product that when you use and you go outside, people are going to ask you, what are you using on your skin? What are you using on your skin? Because it was so nice. I saw it on her skin. I was like, ah, what are you doing on your skin? And I've seen this product before. I was just scared and skeptical. Oh, I'm acne prone and have like a combination skin. Let it not break me out though. But guys, it did not break me out. I'm not even capping. It was too nice on my skin. It was super hydrating, super moisturizing. I loved it so much. You can browse on what hyaluronic acid does to the skin. You can incorporate it into your routine and you like it, especially if you're using like really, really, really strong products at night. Maybe the days that you use retinol, tretinoin, you use very strong face creams on your face. Please just get this toner or lotion to use during the day so that you can calm your skin, you can calm down the effect of those harsh things on your skin. Okay, but as for this product getting the job done, it gets the job done. It's just like a snail mucin, you understand, the Kosara snail mucin, Jumito snail mucin, stuff like that. But I think it locks in more moisture, it offers a better glow, and in essence it just helps to repair the skin barrier more. To me, that is how it feels. And if you suffer from redness, a lot of redness, your skin is always stinging, you have a sensitive skin, this is the product for you. If you've tried snail mucin is not nice on your skin, snail mucin is breaking you out, try this product. It is lightweight and it is non-greasy and it is beautiful. It will leave your skin looking dewy, feeling soft, feeling attractive, just feeling plump and nice. I like this product because it's not so popular. I think maybe because people can't understand what is written on it. But this is me coming to you, this is what is written on it. If you see any product that you don't understand what's written on it, make your research, ask people, browse online. I browsed online, I have used it. Before I used it, I browsed online, and when I saw her using it, I liked it on her skin. I'm like, this is not breaking you out. She said no. I'm like, girl, god, it is nice, you understand, but I don't believe in bombarding your face with a lot. So it's something that you can add to your routine and you have specific days to use it. Or if you don't have a moisturizer for during the day and you just want something to glow your skin, or if you've tried using snail mucin and snail mucin wasn't doing it for you, you can try this premium Hadalabo. This is a picture of it. Hadalabo premium lotion or toner. Yes, it is super nice, it is non-greasy and it is lightweight. It just enters your skin and it melts in your skin. Like, oh god, just apply, don't use your hand and just apply it, like, and allow it to just soak into your skin. God, you self, your skin will be feeling rich, vibrant and glowing. I'm not lying. So this product, it is nice, it is amazing. What will I rate this product in terms of hydration and barrier repair? I'll rate this product an 8.5 over 10. Just let's just gracefully leave the remaining 1.5 for god knows what, but an 8.5 over 10 because it is super amazing. It is worth the buy, it is worth the price, and then it seems it's in a medium size container, so it will last. You're not using a lot, just a bit. Apply it on your face. Don't use your palm, no, please use the tip of your fingers. Just allow it sink into your skin and you're good to go. Okay, so this is my 2 cents on this product. If you've used this product and you've not been seeing anybody talking about it, now you've seen me talk about it. I know it was nice. Comment down below if you want to use it, or you're thinking of getting it, or snail mucin wasn't nice on your skin and you want to get something to replace it just because you like the way snail mucin feels and how it treats your skin and all of that. You can get it. Or you're thinking of starting a skincare routine and you don't know what to get for somebody with a sensitive skin, combination skin, acne, whatever it is, get it. Yes, I'm coming to you telling you that it will not cause any reactions on your skin. So if you've used it, comment down below, let me know how it was on your skin and if you will be rebuying it, or if you want to buy it now because I talked about it. Please let me know. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, turn on your post notification button. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Mwah. I love you so much. Bye.